In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can simplify like terms. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, I need to collect together 7f plus 4f. In a previous video that I'll link here, we learned that the alternative way of writing 7f would have been f plus f 7 times. Here I'm adding on 4 f's. The fact that I've got 7 f's and I'm adding on 4 f's, you can see that I've got 11 f's altogether. One of the key things to notice is that I'm using the same consistent letter all the way through this problem. So here, 7f plus 4f, I can collect together by doing 7 add 4 is 11. So the answer is 11f. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. With the example on the right hand side, I have 8 e's and I'm subtracting 3 e's. Altogether this would leave me 5e as my final answer.